Hey YouTube, welcome back. What's happening, guys? I'm going to unbox this Jeep, I guess. So let's go ahead and then get to it. First of all, I just want to go over this real quick with you guys. We got the orange outlet, and I cop one of this shirt. This I guess what do you call it? Crew neck. This is original guess at their store. Got this front pocket pouch, so it's like connected. Size large. This was the only size that they have. Original price is $44 and then 99 cents, and then it got marked down at $42.99. So there was a sign saying it was a 15 bucks, and even though the associate also tell me that rack is $15, but when I try to check out at the register, somehow it ring up 25 bucks. So I told that lady, the guy told me it's 15 bucks. Well, he charged me 25. And so she just said, oh, okay, let me fix that. So buyers beware, okay? Even though you see the sign 15 bucks, they might trick you. And when you check out, if you don't, in case you thought you were getting for 15 bucks, because I only purchased this item, so I know exactly how much I pay. So you gotta make sure you calculate or look at through your receipt correctly, or while they try to punch into the register, make sure you look at it, or else you might get ripped off. Okay, if you don't notice that. Anyway, this is a pretty nice shirt. It says Guess, G by Guess. And you got all the strip around your left arms, but not right here toward the end. And it goes on G by Guess on the other side as well. And then the back is pretty plain. Wow, you got this big labels and long. You got your 1, 2, 3 labels. That includes all the different languages. And then there's a QR code. All right, let's get into the other one. This tool I got it as a present for my son. Give out shout out to Joshua for buying this for me. You would guess this was a late Christmas present. Check out this one. Guess he knows I like the camel with the green color, so he got me this colorway. It says Guess Jean, designed in California since 1981. This tag looks like it's from Urban Outfitter. It says $44. Yep, it is from Urban Outfitter. Guess Jean American edition. Original design. This is size medium. Oh, I forgot to show you guys a barcode for this item. Alameda stripe. Holly Hawks medium. So you got this nice embroidery. It says Guess Jean USA on the front of your chest or in the mixed section. Wow. I guess they have all this long label go with their apparel. So and that's the back. All right, so let's move on to the last one. Guess Los Angeles. Retail $39. Then that is the barcode. So it says Guess USA. What the heck's that? Cardboard. There's a cardboard right there. So I'm not sure why the green one doesn't have cardboard. Oh my goodness. Do they run big? This is size medium. It's T. And this one is from Pakistan. All right. So this is my unboxing for all this. I thought this crew neck was a pretty awesome price for only $15. Hopefully he got this with a coupon. Please be sure to like this video and then give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if I haven't do so yet, and then turn on the bell for notification. Alright. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and then drop in the comments on below. Alright. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace. So this video I'm gonna do a try on or wear on for the guests that I did unbox, the 3-piece that I got. So let's go ahead and then get it started. This piece is the crew neck that I got with the front pouch, black color, also with the G by Guess on the arm. This one is size large, so it's okay. Next one I'm gonna try is the stripe one, and then save it for last is guess USA. Gene USA. Last one that I'm gonna do a try on. Guess USA, right? Pretty nice material, soft cotton. Yeah, please be sure to sub, share, drop any other comments, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out.